Good morning, or good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, June 30th, 2026. I'm here at Jones Creek Marina, and this is a before video of just Relaxin again. I'm just going to show you how normally it is prior to us cleaning, and kind of to show you what all equipment you have under the water. So as you can see, you got a lot of growth, especially on your out drives and your trim tabs. You do have two Volvo Pinta trim out drives, and there are two R4 trim tab bits on your trim tabs. We're gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up, and then get you two after videos.